In this video, I will show you how to sign up for the Semrush affiliate program. So I'm actually in the Semrush affiliate program, and if you want to join as well, what you want to do is open up your browser and just search for Semrush affiliate program, and then search, then click on the first link from Semrush themselves, and that will take you right here. From here, click apply now. The Semrush affiliate program is hosted on Impact, and Impact is basically a network of affiliate programs, and you don't have to join any other ones. You can also just join Semrush. Now here you can see for every sale you get $200 and $10 for every trial, which is really good, and a cookie life of 120 days, which is quite long. So just go and click sign up. Now I already have an Impact account. If you don't, then just first you need to agree to the terms right here. So down here click accept, and then here just go and create your account. That should take only a few minutes, but I already have an account, so I'll just sign into mine. So after you create your Impact affiliate account, you can then go to the brand section, then click my brands. Then you can see your applied brands right here, so then it should show Semrush, and once they have approved you, it will be in your my brand section. So I'll just find it right here. Right here I've got Semrush, and then what you can do is click on it, and from here you can then click on create link. And then here you can have your link, and you will see now if I open this up, I have my very own affiliate link. Now for me, it just logs me into my account. But now you are a part of the Semrush affiliate program. Now it's important they only accept 6% of applicants, so you do need to have some kind of a blog or social media usually, but just go and apply, and then you will see if they approve you or not. So now you know how to sign up for the Semrush affiliate program. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.